Hello everybody, we're going to make some kebabs tonight on the barbecue. So let's have a look how we're getting on.
That means you're only my half brother then, and I got to take any notice of you.
Put in the group chat that they've all gone.
Doing a good job there, Jacob.
Thank you. Local mushroom peeling superstar, are ya?
Mushrooms ain't that hard to peel though. You at least have a starting point, don't you?
Well, we am, really.
Doing a great job there, boy.
Thank you, Charlie. I stabbed myself yet, so we move.
It's only been there once.
Looking marvellous.
It was a bit further out.
Christmas for everyone then?
I say Scotland might be common, but it ain't that far for a ham.
Depends how much you want to have.
A lot.
I'll walk.
Yeah, I think I'd join Brian on that walk.
Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make him
Right.
Halloween.
absolute
We'll get a
bucket
pedalo.
load of marinated story.
Done with the chopping anyway.
Say again.
You have to show me how to do it, Ken.
Yeah, guess so.
So we're going to have to all got his name down for the camper van when we get fed up with the time. I just don't know.
This is like a food festival here. Look at Ellie's.
Chicken, tikka sizzlers and mango coconut and lime chicken.
Fantastic girl.
Lovely.
Wow, it smells lovely, Ellie.
Just done it that.
They can do it, I can do better.
Well, I think it's safe to say we've made this little area of our own, haven't we? Because it was got to about 3,000 people.
Never heard of that before. She got in today. What? Whatever. Jalapeno. Is it?
Oh, work with our Morgan, mate. You've got it about.
Oh,
I'm alright. We might get one more out there.
lovely. Lovely.
For your sake.
Erin. That one is fun doing Monster Energy this morning. Thank you. Looks like fun today, isn't it?
Still gets out of him. The OT said try these because as he pop at the back there's a hidden button.
Just rips all the buttons on
It's
them.
figured. They'll
Rick-
work
Rick-
for a
Rick
while,
took
but
about
it's figured
200
if you
pounds
put
off
in
in
a
a
neck hole you can just rip them. So
Keys.
it goes round and it
Fine.
tries to get everyone's hand and tries to
Safe.
get you to undo it.
Thumbs up.
Back.
Rock on. Steady. Steady. Come on.
You're right. Off to your right. Right between the centre.
Yeah, you had to do that with Kyle, didn't you? Put them on back here.
The reason I say we went snorkeling and had Lou. No. I broke a banana and chucked it where I was, and all these fish just come from everywhere, like over my face, and it was bobbing up in my goggles like this, and these fish were just sort of coming. When you hear them under the water as well, it sounds really loud. Yeah.
Yeah, when I was snorkeling and you tipped a rum and coke down my snorkel.